Hello everyone, this video is made by Moqi and Lihang. Today we are going to talk about Lotka-Volterra. The Lotka-Volterra model describes interactions between two species in an ecosystem, a predator and a prey. Now, in order to let us make a clear perspective of Lotka-Volterra and its equilibrium points, we can provide an example for you. Our model is between two species, rabbit and fox. Rabbits are prey and fox are predators. We need to investigate the interaction between these two species. Assuming that we have two species, rabbit and fox. If we let RT and FT represent the number of rabbits and foxes, respectively, that are alive at time t, then the Lotka-Volterra model is as follows. dr divided dt is equal to a times r minus b times r times f. df divided dt is equal to e times b times r times f minus c times f. There are four parameters. A is the natural growth rate of rabbits in the absence of predation. C is the natural death rate of foxes in the absence of food. B is the death rate per encounter of rabbits due to predation. E is the efficiency of turning predated rabbits into foxes. Now we have one question to solve. We want to find the equilibrium points about two species using the values of four parameters. We want to know the interaction between rabbits and fox, so we need to find the steady state. So we can have a look at question. First, we will need to split the rabbits and foxes differential equation into the birthday part and the death part. Let us see about how to split the birth rate and death rate about two species. As we all know, the number of the rabbits at time t is equal to a times r minus b times r times f. So, the birth number of rabbits at time t must be a times r, and the death rate of rabbit at time t must be b times r times f. So we can, if we in terms into fox, we can know the birth number of fox at time t is equal to e times b times r times f, and the death rate of fox at time t must be c times f. The four parameters are given above. So the differential equation should be the birth number of rabbits is equal to 0.04r, and the death rate of rabbit must be 0.0005 r times f. The birth number of fox must be 0.00005 times rf, and the death number of fox must be 0.2 f. Now we can find the equilibrium points by listing two equations as follows. So we can get R is equal to 4,000 and F is equal to 80. That means when the number of rabbits is 4,000 and the number of foxes is 80, the system can be in steady state. Thank you very much for listening and Merry Christmas.